It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I have an order from the Little Black Nail Book, okay? And this was a collection that they had. They recently had a sale. So I said, you know, okay, let's see what y'all got. So I do have something from them. I ordered their book a while ago. And when they had this 50% off sale, I just decided to get this whole little collection. Okay, this collection was called the Ultimate Book Bundle, all right? And this is one of their newer books. This is the Bling book, okay? So in this book, well, for one, they put like some little stickers and a little piece of like a $100 bill that you can put in the nails. So they put that inside, which is awesome. And this is kind of like a business card with different nail shapes on it. But inside of this Bling book, it's going to give you like ideas for your rhinestone placement. So I'm definitely going to be using this book. And I'm just flipping through and kind of showing you, you know, some of the goodies inside. So I'm definitely going to dive into this book because I'm trying to get my rhinestone game up, okay? They did include some of their price lists, and it's basically like a kind of generic list, and then you can go in and put your prices on it. They have some acrylic practice sheets, and with this material, you can work on top of this to, you know, place your beads. You can practice your bead ratios, all that kind of stuff. And on the back, we got like some different shapes. And I got 3 of those. Yep. And they're all different. So 3 different sheets. Now this is the 3rd edition. This is the one that I have. Oh, and they included some stuff inside of this one as well. Look at that. So I have this one already. Have I filled it up with designs? No, I have not. So this is something that I want to start doing to just play around with some different nail designs and practice. I've been telling y'all I've been trying to, you know, practice my line work. So doing some different designs and stuff I think will be kind of cute. Then in here we got some, what are these? These are price sheets based off of the length of the nail. So if you have some nails that are longer, as you can see, I'm rocking my natural short nails right now. But I can put this here, and based off of the length, I can tell how much it will cost. So that's pretty neat. Then we got a rhinestone picker. This is cute. And this is their little, kind of like a little business card thing. That's cute. They have this stapled to all of the items. Then we got a little rhinestone set here, which is going to come in handy with the book. And we got some glue. Okay. So they say that in the rhinestone book, you can actually do acrylic and everything in this book, like the material on the pages. You can work on the pages with your acrylics, your gels, all kind of stuff. So I'm going to try that out. I think they said you can do that on the Bling book, but I don't think you can do that in this 3rd edition. The paper in the 3rd edition feels like regular paper. So in this one, I'll probably use like color pencils, markers, things like that. And in this one, I'll try to actually work with the acrylics and stuff like that. And I'll probably do like some shorts or some stories showing you my design on paper and then the real creation of it. So I think that'd be kind of fun to do. So yeah, y'all, that's what I got in this order. Can't wait to start using it. Their packaging and everything is really cute. Y'all know I love cute packaging. So let me know if you have tried anything from them, and let me know your experience. I do have a another friend that has used this book, I believe, and she did a review on it, so I kind of want to see for myself how I can get a good use on it. They had it 50% off, so that's why I went ahead and got this whole bundle. Regularly the bundle was like $120 and I got it for $60. So that's awesome. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. If you draw out your designs, let me know. I think that is so interesting. This is cute, this little rhinestone picker, and it has like the little dotting tool on the other side, so I like that. But let me know if you draw out your designs first. Sometimes I do, sometimes I just go in and just say we're gonna figure it out as we go. So let me know what your preference is, and if y'all want to see the designs that I come up with in my little black nail books. Okay, so thank you all for tuning in and watching this video. Share it with another nail tech. Give me a big old thumbs up. Also share it with your family, friends, any nail enthusiasts, anybody who likes to work on nails. Share this with them. They may want to check out the little black nail book. They also have like other stuff on their site, so I'll put their website in the description bar. Make sure that you remember, okay, in all that you do, remember this thing right here that I'm about to say. Keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line, okay? And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.